So, who wants to know one of the most chilled out creatures here in Australia? I'll show you. What's over the fence? Ah, it's a lovely wombat. Here we go. Hey pal. Could I trouble you just to just want you to say hi to YouTube. Oh, he's gorgeous. He's just sitting there chilling out. So that's a wombat, ladies and gents. Hey pal. Hey, how you doing? You've got really good camouflage there actually with the sand. Oh, you're a sweetie. Anyway everyone, that's a wombat for you. I'll stop it there. Thanks for watching.